Hello friends, welcome to my channel Home Enrich Penilu, and this is unique but very simple to make. For this you require the brush pens, or even if you have a normal sketch pens you can use them also. But if it is a brush pen it will give a very good blending effect. I have given the shape of a palm as if you have using the holy colors as giving the greetings to others. So it is a very beautiful greeting cards. I hope you will try this and let me know if you have tried it. And so don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned for more interesting videos. So this is very simple, even the kids can make it because it doesn't require so many things for it, because the sketch pen is easily available at every house. So you are first making the rainbow using the pens. See, I have used all the colors of the rainbow. You just require two A4 sized paper. One is a white and another you can use a dark colored paper. I am using a bottle green color, but instead you can use a black also. Now you have to trace out the shape of your palm onto the paper. So you can give some modifications to the palm as I have given. So once it opens it will look really nice. So it is very unique and simple, as I said. To further enhance the effect of a palm, I am giving the outlines using the dark black color sketch pen. So here you have to make sure you have to draw it very carefully, because this is the one which will give the ultimate effect to the greeting card, because you have to give it very properly. Then only it will look like as if you have drawn it from a palm greeting card. Now it is almost done. So friends, I hope you have enjoyed the DIY of making the beautiful, colorful greeting card, especially for the Holi. And even if you want to, you can make it or gift it for any other occasions like birthdays, because it is very simple greeting card and it is very easy for the kids to make. So even the kids can try it, making it at home. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And thank you.